Introducing the Gator GRV43KT, a 4.3-inch LCD dash mount display reverse camera kit. Featuring a 4.3-inch full-color LCD display, the GRV43KT is easy to use and has adjustable settings for brightness, contrast, and saturation. Simple to install, the adhesive dash mount simply sticks to the dashboard in the vehicle for easy viewing. The kit comes supplied with a surface mount reverse camera, which can be installed virtually anywhere at the rear of the vehicle. It has a wide 150-degree camera angle, producing a great field of view and reducing blind spots behind the vehicle while reversing. Reverse the vehicle with ease. As soon as the reverse gear is engaged, the display will automatically turn on and show the reverse camera and parking guidelines. The included reverse camera is rated for IP67 and can withstand the harsh conditions on the exterior of the vehicle. This dash mount display reverse camera kit is 12-volt DC compatible and is suitable for 12-volt DC vehicles including cars, utes, four-wheel drives and trucks. The GRV43KT is easy to use and comes supplied with everything you need to get started. It comes with a dash mount 4.3-inch display monitor, a surface mount camera with video lead, monitor harness, camera harness, and the product manual. To find out more information about this model, or to check out our complete driver assist range, please visit our website, GatorDriverAssist.com.